So I've got the Rover P4 here, and the rear brake's been binding, so just want to show you what we've done so far. Jacked it up, taken the back wheel off, and taken the brake drum off. Now this is a car that's been restored, so things on it are pretty good, pretty new. I don't know much about them, but I'm just going to find out what's causing this. We'll pull it apart, see what's going on. So I've disconnected everything and just taken this out. I actually love working on restored cars because everything comes undone so easily. Now I'm going to pull this apart. As you can see, there's got a fair bit of rust in it. I am going to suggest that this could be the cause. So we'll pull it apart, clean it up, and see if that works. Alright, so I've taken the screws out, and we'll just take this cover off. And yeah, look at that. I'm sure that's not supposed to be that ganked up. So I'm going to pull this apart and clean it out. So I've just about finished cleaning all this up, but just wanted to show you a little tip here. I've got a wet and dry stone, but just to clean these up, all I've done, a bit of WD-40 on 600 grit on a flat surface, and just give it a rub. And I've done both sides, cleaned them up, and got as much of the rust off as I could. Run over it with a file as well. Yep, put a little bit of grease on it, whack it back in, and we'll see how that works. Alright, here's a finished version. It's all cleaned up, put back together, and this is actually sliding in and out now, so that's a lot better. And these moves, so this activates, this is the handbrake, so it actually comes out on a different set of operating. It doesn't go through the pistons. So alright, I'll put it back on and see if it works.